Hello and welcome to ENGLIO. In today's lesson, you will learn 20 common English synonyms, also called similar words, with simple meanings and easy examples. So let's get started. Lesson number 6, word number 1. Look, see. It means to use your eyes. For example, look at the board or I can see the board. Word number 2. Job, work. It means employment. For example, he has a good job. He goes to work every day. Word number 3. Home, house. It means place where you live. For example, I am going to home or my house is big. Word number 4. Gift, present. It means something given to someone. For example, this is a gift or this is a birthday present. You can use whatever you want. Word number 5. Child, kid. It means a young person. For example, the child is playing, the kid is playing. Both have similar meanings. Word number 6. Rich, wealthy. It means having a lot of money. For example, he is rich or he is wealthy. Word number 7. Brave, courage. It means showing courage. For example, the soldier is brave. The soldier is courage. Word number 8. Speak, talk. It means to communicate with words to someone. For example, speak clearly or talk slowly. Word number 9. Difficult, hard. It means not easy. For example, this question is difficult or this question is hard. Word number 10. Help, assist. It means to support someone. For example, please help me or you can say please assist me. Word number 11. Buy, purchase. It means to get something by paying money. For example, I want to buy a book or I want to purchase a book. Word number 12. Begin, start. It means to start something. For example, let's begin or let's start. Word number 13. End, finish. It means to complete something. For example, the class will end soon or we will finish the lesson soon. Lesson number 14. Smart, clever. It means intelligent. For example, she is smart or she is clever. Word number 15. Fast, quick. It means moving rapidly. For example, he is fast or he is quick. Word number 16. Big, large. It means great in size, like huge in size. For example, this is a big house, this is a large house. Word number 17. Small, teeny. It means very little in size. For example, I have a small bag. I have a teeny bag. Word number 18. Happy, glad. It means feeling joyful. For example, I am happy. I am glad to see you. Word number 19. Silent, quiet. It means making little or no noise. For example, please remain silent or please be quiet. Word number 20. Angry, mad. It means feeling upset or annoyed. For example, he is angry or he is mad about the mistake. So guys, I hope you learned very well. So do practice these synonyms every day. So if you have any question or any confusion, so let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ENGLIO. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.